Yn yr ail flwyddyn, rhaid i pob myfyriwr sy'n dilyn y cwrs gyfraith wneud Moot, sef dadl gyfreithiol ar achos sy'n cael gosod gan yr adran. May it please your lordship, I, Llyr Williams, am appearing with Mr Peter Winkley for the plaintiff in Reckman and Dunson Dim, and my learned friends Miss Julie Wrangham and Mr Nicholas Wyn-Williams are for the defendants. Roedd achos i wneud â cyfraith y tir, lle roedd perchennog tŷ yn ceisio gael tenant allan o'i dŷ. Construction of the agreement as a whole, in order to see what were the intentions of the parties when they signed the agreement. In this case, there is no question that the plaintiff, Mr Reckman, and the defendants intended to create a legal relationship. But the question is, was it an intention to create a licence or intention to create a tenancy? In the case of...
I might stop you there. Are you telling me that the major point for consideration is the intention of the parties?
I think that is one of the most important points.
When you say one of the most important points, what other things are you going to draw my attention to?
Yn ystod y dadl, nath Mr Salter, sef y tiwtor, torri efo draws i codi i'w pwynt cyfreithiol. A do'n i'm cweith yn siŵr beth o'n meddwl. Oedd o'n ia neu na, a nes i mynd o 100% ia. A dyna be oedd yn lwcus. It may be no bad thing.
Councillor, is that still good law, that statement?
I feel it is, yes.